Hi guys, it's Sarah again. I taught you about rent and how not to get evicted. I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to get into the property management industry and what to expect once you're there. I started as a weekend person, as a part-time weekend person, because it gave me a rent discount. And I just worked my way up and went from a part-time leasing specialist to a full-time leasing specialist, then an assistant property manager, and then a property manager. It's a fun industry. You'll never have the same day twice. And a lot of companies offer rent discounts, which is really great. It's a really good perk. If you're someone who likes to talk to people, you like problem solving, and you're just really good with people, it's a great industry to be in. Think of everything that happens at your house. It's gonna happen in an apartment too. So I have some of my favorite people were residents that I had who were just really kind. We got to know each other really well. I got to see people get engaged and get married and have babies and see their families grow, and that's always great. There's some bad things too. I had a resident who was on drugs, who shot her son in her apartment and then chased the girlfriend out of the apartment and also shot at her. So, you got some fun stories and then you've got some not so fun stories. So if you thrive on a lot of just different things every single day, it's a really great industry to get into.